up, guys? Today I'm showing you how I get my bomb eyebrows in 10 minutes or less using henna. So today I'm taking my Dove Derma Series Dry Skin Facial Cleanser, and I'm using this to kind of like give me an outline and a guideline around the brow. This is so I can see where I'm filling in and prevent any seepage of the henna onto other areas of the skin that I don't want to be tinted. So now I'm just coming onto the top of the brow, doing basically the same thing as I would as if I was cleaning up my normal brows with concealer, just so I can get that perfect shape. That way when I tint these brows, honey, we good to go. So now I'm just taking my henna paste and I'm taking this on the back of this little tiny piece of paper just because I don't want to put it on the back of my hand, and I'm just squirting a little bit out so I can go in and tint my brows. So to actually tint my brows, I'm taking this Disposable 2-in-1 spoolie brow combo, and I am taking the henna onto my skin and the actual brow hair itself. As you can see, I'm making nice, clean, precise strokes because we don't want this product to get everywhere. And I'm doing this basically the same way I do my normal brows. If you want to know how I do my normal brows without tinting them, that video will be down in the description bar. But it's fairly self-explanatory. You just want to pop it on. Having the guideline here from the face wash around our brow just makes it so much easier, and you can just go straight in and do it that way. If you do not want your brows this dark, you can also mix it with the lighter color hennas. You can get the burgundy shade, or you can get that deep brown shade, or you can do the natural henna to get a light auburn looking brow. So if you kind of make a mistake like I did here, you just want to go back in fairly quickly with the face wash to get it off. That way you don't have like a little lump of, unwanted henna. And you want to do it while it's still wet. That way it hasn't adhered to the skin yet, and you don't have a stain. So now I'm going in with like a second layer of it, and I'm just feathering it in a little bit towards the front. I don't like to put this product in the front of the brow too much because I don't like the front of my brows to look very dark. So I'm just feathering this product in using the spoolie and going back and forth over and over just so you can see that gradual fade here. So now's the fun part. You can play around with it until you get the tint on to about your liking. It's not going to be as dark, but it's basically going to be the same color it is that you apply it on with. This is not a brow tint. This is natural henna product. So now we're just going to go in and we're going to do the second brow the exact same way. This is great if you're like me and you like to shave the tail ends of your brow off, and you want to have a little brow there but not really because you want to grow out into a new shape. But yeah, this is cute for that. This is perfect for a vacation in. That way you don't have to touch your brows up all the time. You can just get out and be at the beach as soon as you wake up. Or it's perfect for when you want to FaceTime with babe but you don't want to put no face on, so all you gotta do is put your lashes on. So if this is your first time using henna in any form, I do recommend doing like a small patch test on like the inside of your elbow or somewhere, you know, where it's not really noticeable, because it is a plant derived product and I wouldn't want you to get an allergic reaction from it, because I know a lot of people are. So that's just a little disclaimer before you put this on your brows. So once your brows have finished sitting, I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes, just whenever it's dry. And I like to take this facial scrub just to scrub off the henna. And you can see like the excess that hit the facial cleanser, it's just dissolving off. And you just want to really scrub this into the brow hair and into your brows itself. That way it gets all the product off. And now I'm just taking a makeup wipe to remove all the excess scrub and the facial cleanser, and also to really make sure that everything else is off. Yeah, so these are the finished brows. I still have a little bit of scrub on my face, but don't worry about it. Yeah, and just so you can see, nothing's coming off. And this is going to last me about a week. If you're more oily, it may last a little bit less than that. So I'm just taking a little brow gel to, you know, seal the deal. This is totally unnecessary. It's just sometimes my brow hairs are a little bit unruly. And yeah, this is it. These are the brows. So please be sure to subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already, and give this video a thumbs up. Bye guys.